A strange thing is happening in AI right now. Thousands of developers are following roadmaps. Machine learning roadmap, GenAI roadmap, AI engineer roadmap, data science roadmap. People spend months comparing them, and yet many of those same people still have no AI projects, no interviews, and no clear direction. The problem isn't that these roadmaps are incomplete. The problem is that most of them are solving the wrong question. Because the fastest way to get lost in AI is to follow someone else's map. The common belief is simple. Find a roadmap, follow every box, complete every course, learn every framework, eventually become an AI engineer. It sounds logical. After all, roadmaps create certainty. They tell you exactly what to learn next. And when AI feels overwhelming, certainty becomes extremely attractive. But this belief creates one of the biggest learning traps in the industry. Most people don't want ambiguity. They want a checklist. A roadmap gives the illusion that success is predictable. It transforms a complex career transition into a neat sequence of boxes and arrows. That's why roadmap posts get thousands of likes. They're simple, they're visual, they're comforting. Unfortunately, reality is rarely organized into clean diagrams. Especially in AI, the first hidden problem is that AI isn't a single destination. People talk about getting into AI as if it were one job. But AI includes many different paths. AI product engineer, RAG engineer, machine learning engineer, AI platform engineer, data scientist, AI solutions architect, applied AI developer. Each path requires different skills. A generic roadmap cannot optimize for all of them, yet most people follow the same roadmap anyway. This is where the trap begins. Someone starts learning Python, then machine learning, then deep learning, then transformers, then LangChain, then vector databases, then agents, then MCP, then fine-tuning, then multimodal systems. 6 months later they know a little about everything. But they cannot build anything valuable. Because they never chose a direction. They just kept adding boxes from the roadmap. Here's something most people never think about. Roadmaps are excellent content. They generate clicks. They generate shares. They generate engagement. But a roadmap creator is optimizing for attention, not necessarily for your career. The roadmap that gets the most views is often the one that looks the most comprehensive. Which means more boxes, more tools, more technologies, more complexity. And that's exactly what overwhelms beginners. After more than 25 years in software and technology, I've noticed something important. Companies rarely hire people because they completed a roadmap. They hire people because they can solve problems. A healthcare company may need document extraction. A bank may need fraud analysis. An insurance company may need claim summarization. A support organization may need knowledge retrieval. Nobody is asking whether you completed 75% of an AI roadmap. They're asking whether you can deliver value. And those are very different things. I've seen the same pattern repeatedly. Person A spends a year consuming content, completing courses, watching tutorials, following roadmaps. Person B chooses one problem, builds 3 projects around that problem, learns only the tools required. Person B usually becomes valuable faster. Because experience compounds, checklists do not. The better approach is surprisingly simple. Start with the role, not the roadmap. Ask yourself, what kind of AI work do I actually want to do? Build AI applications? Create enterprise solutions? Work on machine learning models? Design production architectures? Once the destination becomes clear, the learning path becomes dramatically smaller and much more effective. Most successful engineers don't learn everything. They learn enough to solve increasingly difficult problems. That's the key. If you're building RAG systems, you don't need a PhD-level understanding of every machine learning algorithm. If you're building AI applications, you don't need to master every research paper. Learn what helps you move forward, then expand when reality demands it, not because a roadmap tells you to. The uncomfortable truth is that successful AI careers rarely follow a roadmap. They're messy, they're iterative, they're driven by projects, driven by business problems, driven by opportunities. Most professionals didn't arrive where they are because they followed a perfect plan. They arrived because they continuously adjusted their direction. That's how real careers evolve, and AI is no different. The biggest danger isn't choosing the wrong roadmap. It's believing that a roadmap can replace strategic thinking. Roadmaps are tools, not destinations. Use them for guidance, but never outsource your career decisions to them. Because the people succeeding in AI are not the people following the longest roadmap. They're the people who know exactly where they're trying to go. and who ignore everything that doesn't help them get there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, next watch, everyone is learning the wrong AI skill. It connects directly to the mistake we discussed today and explains what companies actually value when hiring AI talent. Like the video and subscribe to Advanced Skills Learning for more AI myths, production realities, and practical Gen AI system insights.